See what we're happening today in Hype It Up for you guys. Today, the boys are in the building. Kid Clever and Anam will be taking you through to 5 p.m. And remember, we're still counting down our weekly top 10. And if it is that you guys have a favorite and you want it to be number one, you must make sure you vote. And then in studio, we have some great performances from the Western Cape and a visitor from Durban. We have Stiff Pop, Nature, Soul A, and then we end off with Vidge. Guys, if I was you,
don't go anywhere.
I'm spending every day in my creep, boy. Back to get the game, I'm so boy. Yeah. Say, but get a sharp place. We're getting sharper every day. We're getting sharper every day. Sharp like sharp place. Sharp place. Part of B, we so boy. Sand B, we so Utando kuluma mfana man. Sihamba pambili unamba bang. Azanga zote la zofiwala. We need the money, no excuses. Killing nigga on them features. Bow me like I'm Jesus. Bow me like I'm Jesus. I've been running, nigga never pause. Winning, still I want more. Never fall, nigga, never fall. Sueco. Para B, no send B, pengo. Whoa. Yeah, nigga, we the best. Bigger, mother crack. Booga, sense and jail. School up bella with some murder. Shabba, blitz. Enter, blitz. School up bella with the burst. Stories. Getting tired on the stories. Tripping. Getting tired on the crippin'. Nagging niggas. Getting tired on nagging. Stories. Getting tired on the stories. Tripping. Getting tired on the crippin'. Nagging niggas. Getting tired on the nagging. You know the Pluto. Tiny, cool, Luma, on a Pluto. Nigga, never catch me on a Pluto. I'm spending every day in my creep, boy. Back to kill the game, I'm so boy. Yeah. See, but get a sharp place. We're getting sharper every day. We're getting sharper every day. Sharp like sharp place. Sharp place. Part B, we so boy. Sand B, we so boy. We getting sharper every day. Smoking weed, nigga, every day. Sandy B, I'm so high, boy. Sandy B, I'm so ill, boy. Sharp place. No nigga, you can't stop us. Getting money many ways. Hustle every day. I said G.O.D, that's what you see on me. I never D.I.E, that's what you ain't on me. Stories. Getting tired on stories. Tripping. Getting tired on tripping. Nagging niggas. Getting tired on nagging. Stories. Getting tired on stories. Tripping. Getting tired on tripping. Nagging niggas. Getting tired on nagging. I be running with the same pace. Niggas we think we run the same race. Nah, niggas not the same race. I am the king of the game, nigga. King nigga with a plan, nigga. Nigga, stop the jealousy. Me and my niggas we dope. Nigga, come on. Nigga, don't be copycat. Middle finger to them enemies. Middle finger to them haters. I'm standing every day in my free boy. Back to kill the game, I'm so boy. Yeah. See, but get a sharp place. We're getting sharper every day. We're getting sharper every day. Sharp like sharp place. Sharp place. Para B, we so boy. Sunny B, we so boy. We're getting sharper every day. We're getting sharper every day. Sharp like sharp place. Sharp place. Para B, we so boy. Johnny B, we so evil, evil.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, 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 yeah, boy,
A banger of a song. What a banger of a song. What a banger of a song.
My
nature.
Man. Nature.
Like you literally brought the nature in the house.
Yo, man. Listen, speak on the mic. Listen, tell the cats who you are and let's single.
Yeah, nature, man. All the way from Mefili.
Okay.
Yeah, I represent Amachitama Setepen. Yeah, that's me. Yeah.
Strong, this track exactly, inspiration. What's behind it?
The track I was just chilling with the boys. It was his first time in Cape Town. We're chilling in the studio and then Umchita. When's the beat? So too. Then somebody's called by me. Yeah, every day we are getting sharper, like sharp blades. Yeah. So they are very
Quickly,
sharp blades.
how do we follow you?
Yeah, on Facebook just search Sakumzi Senzo Yolan. On Facebook page Isiko Sokobo, just search there. We'll send the boys on Fumana. That's my dogs, push us say too, everything sends us say too. And then about suddenly I see crew, now I see your crew.
Okay.
Yeah.
I show boss.
Time
to start the show. Time to start the show. But thank you very much, Jaiwan. Show. So that's the way we started off. It is Friday right here in Cape Town, the Western Cape. You know how we do it. Hype it up. Channel 263. It's a boy Kid Clever in the building. Plus I got my one right over here. Anam, what's up, God? What's up?
I'm great. How are you doing, bro?
Man, can't complain. It's the weekend.
It's the weekend, and tomorrow but I'm not gonna say anything.
Man. So quickly, just for you guys, it's Friday. So I think right about now the Jazz Fest is already been kicked off. So if you didn't get your tickets, I don't know where have you been, man, because it's happening right now as we speak, man, and it's going to be quite lit. There's going to be a whole bunch of performers out there. I mean, if there's talent like this around, I don't want to know what they're going to be doing. But otherwise, guys, you know how you follow us on our social media platforms. Facebook, it's Hype It Up, and on Twitter, it's @_Hype It Up. Talk to us. Anam.
It's great. Thank you very much. It's again, guys, we'll hype it up, and we're gonna take you all the way to 5 p.m. Kid said chilo what if you're Fumana, go hype it up on Facebook. Go put Twitter Fumana @_hype it up. Kid.
Yeah, man. I think it's about time. From nature, I think we maybe just go. Just
cool down.
Ne? I said, boy, ever go sip some water.
To my wedding analysis. Sure, Scoof, baby Enzo, ubaba kafuna ukushayela umthetho. Kodwa njengomzali kumele ngikutshelile lento kuze ukwazi ukwenza okuhle namaphutha uzowagwema. Funa ufunda ukwenza izinto ngamandla akho nothi ukucela. Kade abafana ngemali abazama ukukheha bafika begqoka isikhumba semvu baby mabekushare. Once waqala wamqoma maseqale seyakhetha maseqale yakujikela kaza kuthanda ubekhalela. Isikole sibalekile ngicela usenze ithemba kuze ingqondo izovuleka ikusasa lakho ungazakhela please ungangiphoqa uqhuba isisu sasemncane lokho ngamdumaza ubaba maybe agcina kubeka isandla ish enzo kuhle kujabula ubaba nomama sisi ungalimazwa ifashion injabula itholwa kuphela eclubini and ugwema ama-free drinks iwona ngakudonsela obishini ophuza imali yakho ufuna uvuke naye ebhedini then ekusasekuseni akugaya ithwini akufake etexini lalela ubaba maybe la mazwi kuwayi-blessing ngoba ngifuna ikusasa udlala osibusiso no-blessing abanathando bafuna lokho okufihlile ephentini and bayanyamalala masebekumithisile ilife imile okulandelayo isigelo susishiyile akukho kunye usunomntwana kumele alala dlile awusena choice ugcina uthola umsebenzi engasile baby Enzo cela ubaba umenza jabula inhliziyo sinomama sokhulisa ngendlela nangenhlonipho ubaba lo I hope le ngoma kuwe baby fikile
we ruling the world. Push, 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 really tenele. 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 Push, push, really tenele. I still remember where I started from. Good luck at the Mudimu and Tester while I'm listening to these fake rappers. But funny and about Chester. But don't pray for something real I came in. I'm your answer. A jungle cat, rap addict, JC that gangster. Push, really genele. When the battle starts, the ML. Can't reach Kamengele. But your little bit of the sentence. Push the box, push your bag. And then like about your sign of the check. Get to an LED shop or 10. Get all in black. Get private cars or shine a mag. Representing Casa Rap. No mistake. We on another level. We ain't going back. Push more, push around. No stop until we feed it up. Push, push, really tenele. 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 Push, really tenele.
Let me step in with that push a thing. Walk in the bank, that's push a that. You call it ball about the boo. Now they watching when we get moolah. For the Tana Jana Basuta. But we capable, that's flammable. Sky Boo and got it what the judge. They see the sign, that's push. We getting us, I gotta scheme my ding. We pushing it harder, you ain't gotta say nothing about it. I do it for Titi, my daughter, my daddy. They know that I got him, I do it for them. Do it for them. Vale babu wakarona ki batale botare push di mengele bana batale di set on top of the belly. On top of the belly. Repimpa di zakabateba. Haki receiver di zakabateba. It's trying too hard. Vale babata di mili bachiti batena di met. Batela damane babatale to ho artene di met.
Push, push, really tenele. 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 Push, gotta push, really tenele.
Café di malam, café, era loja, café. Danço na capucha que pana.
Yeah, I've been thinking about it. There's something about it. It's way too much now. Way too much now. I've been thinking about it. Something about it. It's way too much now. It's way too much now. Oh, I've been thinking about it. Something about it. Oh yeah, way too much. Way too much. I've been thinking about it. Something about it. It's way too much. Way too much. Oh, yeah. It's way too much. Way too much. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's way too much. It's way too much.
Shit, I've been thinking about it. Ay, these niggas play too much. Ay, they're watching my wave too much. Ay, they're saying I'm paid too much. Ay, but doggy, I pray too much. Ay, don't get in my way too much. Ay, we need better days too much. Ay, so we celebrate too much. Ay, when you're doing good, they gon' doubt you. They just tryna bring it out you. Niggas wasn't checking about Michael, ay, until he got a check like Michael. I had to bust up the move, ay, invented the groove. I hope you do this shit too. It's nothing new, ay. I pay my dues, I did this for you, and now I've been thinking about it.
There's something about it. It's way too much now. Way too much now. I've been thinking about it. Something about it. It's way too much now. It's way too much now. Oh, I've been thinking about it. Something about it. Oh yeah, way too much. Way too much. I've been thinking about it. Something about it. It's way too much now. Way too much now. Oh, I ain't got Ricky problems, but I got problems nonetheless. Sometimes I feel like it's too much. I'm under pressure chasing after success. I've been all the way up. I've been grinding, putting work since day one. Shout out to all of my day ones. I can wait till the day comes. Lord, I swear there's too much fakeness on these streets, yeah. One of my exes that told me she's praying for me. Baby, praying, although you low-key hating on my blessings. 40K downloads in 1 week, but none of my singles bumping out on radio, nigga. I've been thinking about it. There's something about it. Oh, yeah, it's way too much. Way too much now. I've been thinking about it. Something about it. It's way too much now. It's It's way too much now.